G'day, my name's Noel Jans. I'm co-chair of AgVid 2020. Thanks to Hort Innovation, AgVic and other key event sponsors. I hope you enjoy watching the virtual videos. Thank you.
I'm Wayne Stockton from GrowLink Nursery. I'm the sales manager.
And I'm Patrick Gorman, I'm the head grower of GrowLink.
GrowLink was proud to partner with Australia's leading seed companies. We produced their seedlings that they later transplanted at the event, and were able to display the latest genetics to the vegetable industry down there at Lindenow. We're proud to do it.
The next 5 years for GrowLink are incredibly exciting. We've got a strong and diverse team. We're utilising state-of-the-art technology and automation to further look after our current customers and our future customers and provide them with excellent quality seedlings.
GrowLink proudly supported AgVid 2020. We were proud to support the industry and put something back to that industry that supports all of us.
This variety here is Prodigio. It's our red multi-leaf lettuce. Now this variety really fits in with the market with what it needs in terms of its colour and its leaf shape. It's a really beautiful coral, but the main part of this variety that we think is really going to bring it success is its yield. I'm just holding in my hand quite an immature head, but you can still see the amount of usable leaf in there. So that's all cut with the top 10 centimetres, which is the market standard, and there's an unbelievable 3D shape. As you can see, the red goes all the way down to a very fine cut point, which is very necessary as oxidisation is limited quite well with the smaller the cut point is. But the leaves are very glossy, there's plenty of them there, the colour's very dark and all-encompassing on that leaf. We think that with the yield and the colour, this variety can go very well in the cooler months, but with a very low core and bolting resistance, it's fantastic in the warmer months too and summer, and we've seen results which show that. But I'd like to get Pete just to go into 3 varieties which are laid out on the hessian in front of us here. Pete, what makes these varieties different to any other multi-leaf on the market at the moment?
We're really excited because we're really proud to work with Syngenta, who have the only resistance gene to anthracnose in the world. And in my time in the industry, there's been 2 really severe seasons which have wiped out a lot of crops for growers. There's very few weapons typically that a grower will have against disease. It's quite bad. So as you can see, we've got 2 really nice red corals and a green coral, and they all have really great shape, beautiful serration, nice fine cut point, really good yield. So it's really great to just have this resistance gene built into some new varieties that growers have never had access to before. From a grower's point of view, what time of the year do you think it's most important to be really strongly considering using these varieties?
These varieties can be used all year round just because they have a great disease package, but with the anthracnose tolerant gene, the highest pressure would have to be between the winter, spring, slight sort of coming out of the cold and going into that spring season. And these varieties can really give a fantastic insurance policy that can really get you through that tough spot, because once anthracnose gets in, it can completely decimate a crop and you can be left with next to nothing. So these are fantastic peace of mind for our customers, and that's why we're so thrilled to be able to bring them to the market.
As you mentioned, having that Nassinovia resistance and then also having this resistance gene against anthracnose, it's really exciting for growers to have in the arsenal.
Thanks so much for joining us today. It's great that we're able to put this field day on and look after our site and really bring that good material with good innovation to the industry and for our customers. If you want more information, we've got a really good website with photos and tech sheets for all the varieties, and there's also an online store for the home gardener to get some of our good products and seed as well.